Yo, what is up, everybody? Wow, wow, wow. One of the coolest things that ever happened. A production company sent me this package because they saw my videos on the Uncut Gems Filming Locations. I never thought anything like this would ever happen, and I am so grateful to Alara Pictures for sending me this package, which I have no idea what's inside, but I am about to open it, and I am so thankful for this. Thank you so much. I can't believe this. Okay, but here we go. I'm going to open it. This is amazing. I will be keeping this packaging, this entire envelope forever. So here's what's inside. So we have a t-shirt. What am I stepping on? Okay. A t-shirt, a medium t-shirt. Oh my god, yo, look at this shirt. What? Look at this shirt. An Uncut Gems t-shirt. Oh my god, yo. Look at that. Directly from Alara Pictures sent to me. Oh my god. If only this t-shirt was in this bag, I would be the happiest person in the world. But it's not. There's other stuff in the bag. Oh my god. Check out this t-shirt. They asked me my size. Medium. Oh my god. So that's a t-shirt. Then there's another t-shirt sealed in a bag, which I wouldn't even want to open this, but I have to. I have to open this. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, the scissors fell. Okay. But check out this t-shirt. Sent Alara Pictures to me. I can't believe Alara Pictures sent me this. Something on the back, but this shirt is awesome. Size medium. Oh my god. It says, Howard Ratner, you always believe this is how I win. What? Yes, check out this shirt. Amazing. So, wow. Sent from Alara Pictures to me. That's because they saw my Uncut Gems videos. I can't believe that they even watched them. That is amazing. And Gems Uncut. That's pretty cool. Gems Uncut. Not sure what this is. Sweatshirt. Oh my god! Yo, look at this Gems Uncut shirt. It's a sweatshirt, right? Look at this. Are you guys ready for this? Gems Uncut, sent from Alara Pictures. Yo, look at the back of this shirt. What? Yo! What the? Yo! One of the craziest, illest shirts I've ever seen. This is unreal. Unreal. Oh my god. Look at that design. This is the back of the shirt. Back of the sweatshirt. This is the front. Oh my god. Yo. Thank you guys so very much if you're watching this. That is just amazing. I never Never thought anything like this would ever happen. I really appreciate it. So, 2 t-shirts and a sweatshirt. And that is all. Wow. That is amazing. I am so thankful to you guys for if you guys are watching, for sending me these awesome shirts. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me, and it's amazing. Thank you so much for Uncut Gems, and it's unimaginable for this. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you over at Alara Pictures. Thank you. And now for something I've been holding on to for a while, for the final filming location video that I did for the amazing movie that I love so much that I give a 10 out of 10, Uncut Gems Filming Locations Part 4, right here. First location is the water fountain that Howard, Adam Sandler, gets thrown into. Guys, this is the location of the water fountain in the movie. Here is the actual scene from this film location. So in the movie, this is the waterfall. The water fountain that he stands at. You can tell by this billboard in the background going, and he stands right about here. Now you can tell this is the water fountain right here, because in the same shot of this, you see this when they're walking up to the water fountain. Also see this truck in the background. But yeah guys, this is that location. You could also tell by this black structure right here. You can tell by. Second location is the street that Howard, Adam Sandler, and Julia Fox walk down after leaving the club. Alright guys, this is the location in Uncut Gems of the club that The Weeknd is performing at, and Julia Fox and Adam Sandler come out of, kind of having an argument and yelling at each other. This is that location right here where that happens. They go running down this street right here. We're gonna take a look at that. Here is the actual scene from this film location. This is the entire street that they walk down, is right here. And right here is where the taxi pulls up and Julia Fox chases Adam Sandler as he gets into the taxi. That's this location right here, where that happened. Right here. So you can kind of walk in the footsteps of Julia Fox. She walks by this pole right here as she walks away from him up the street right here. Then somebody at the club, which this is the club right here, somebody at the club says something to her and she says, yeah, that's why you're waiting in line. That's this location right here. But that was walking in her footsteps. Alright guys, so this is where in Uncut Gems, Adam Sandler and Julia Fox come out of after they're having a fight. This is the club right here. This is the actual club. And then they walk down this street. So we're gonna walk in their footsteps now. This is the club that happens at. It's a really awesome movie. I really enjoyed it. So let's walk in their footsteps. Literally, Adam Sandler and Julia Fox walked right here. Pretty crazy. As you can tell, I'm making my way towards the corner. And they walk up to here, and then Adam Sandler gets in the cab right here, and Julia Fox goes crazy, gets upset, and then walks back this way. You could tell it's the location by the end here. All of this you'll see in the movie. And this is where the cab pulls up right here. This is that location that was used in the movie right here. Oh, oh. Alright guys, that's a wrap for Uncut Gems Filming Locations. Subscribe to me channel. Follow me on Instagram, on Twitter. Like, leave a comment. Follow me on social media. Louis 6 Cards. So yeah guys, this is me wearing an amazing shirt sent to me from Alara Pictures from the movie Uncut Gems. I can't believe it.